This week we are in one of China's biggest megacities, Shenzhen. This city has the best of both worlds. It is a huge modern metropolis, yet it has so much natural beauty. Located on the coast, it has beautiful sandy beaches and futuristic skyscrapers. And all of this is surrounded by mountains.
Hey! Today we're in Shenzhen. So this is just what you can do in a weekend in Shenzhen.
Yes.
Oh, we're going to go to a woodworking workshop.
Yes.
Studio, and we're gonna make some little key rings.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
And later we are going to Atlantis.
Turkish restaurant.
I can't wait to have that beef pancake I saw on the internet. It looks very great.
Yeah.
So let's get to it. We arrived to the woodworking workshop and immediately feel inspired and a little intimidated by the decorations on display. This is the block of wood that we'll be using today, and we first set about choosing our design and sketching it onto the wood.
These are so cute with the little face.
We get decked out in the gear, apron and protective gloves, and they give us some tools to get carving. The workshop staff were really lovely and guided us through what we should do and how to hold the saws, and even offered to help us take some videos. It's actually quite difficult. You need to use a lot of strength to cut through the wood. After a little bit of fine detail work and the shape is cut out, it's time to smooth out the edges. We use this sandpaper. Here is mine looking super smooth and silky soft. Now, this is my absolute favourite part. I love drawing and painting and being creative, so when they handed me this super hot pen to burn your design into the wood, of course I am so excited. We have a practice with different pressures and time to get the lines you want, and then go for it. I am so happy with how they turned out, and this little guy is so cute. We pop some polish on and they help us put the keychain in, and we're done. A fun, creative and different way to spend an afternoon, and you will never guess how cheap it is.
I make not sure what's this. It's
Rocking
like
horse.
half tiger and half is the horse. Yes.
I made a strawberry milk and a chocolate milk. So cute. So fun.
Yeah. That's our name.
And it only cost
30 kwai for 2
kwai.
people. Hi, got a lunch.
so cheap. What's that?
So good.
Ovaltine chocolate milk.
spend some time in getting ready and you think you look nice today and you will have a nicer mood.
I agree.
Yeah. And especially today, weather is good, like not really bright.
It's fresh.
Yeah, like not really hot, not
Yeah.
really cold. Like the past 2 weeks was really miserable.
Rainy.
Really dry.
It's great today, but at least
Really
it's dry.
British.
Yeah.
But today it's really coastal city. Maybe not, but at least it's not right. I have good mood now.
So cute, right?
Is it for the baby?
How can a baby drive?
Oh, it has the assistance wheel.
Oh, maybe.
I really think it's a toy
So cute.
because it's like you press this and it's like.
Shenzhen is a migrant city. It's still very young. It started being built in the 80s, so most people that live here have moved here from other cities in China or from abroad. And of course, it wouldn't be one of my videos if we didn't go for some food, so let's make our way to Shekou, the more international area in Shenzhen, because we are going to get some Turkish food. We order some stuffed grape leaves, hummus, Turkish bread,
I'm looking at our food.
It's okay.
and at this point we realized we might have overdone it with the bread, but it's okay. In China you can always dab out. We got the falafel wrap, which comes with all kind of dips, and the piece de resistance, the beef pie.
Let's see what's inside. Wow.
Exciting.
Yeah. Is it good?
So good.
Let's show this one.
Is it good? That's so funny. Oh. It's like a dog's heaven. Okay, so we're eating dinner. And then this dog is off his lead and he literally sees all of like these little squeaky toys. And the lady had 3 dogs and she's literally chasing this dog around. So we're watching a dog chase. And then some boy comes up and like a little kid, it's like, hi, can I interview you? Just like asking me some little questions like, do I speak Chinese? How long have I been in China? It was so cute. We always get interviewed when we're in SeaWorld. Yeah, interesting day.
That's it. Oh, that's a little more.
Nantou is always a fun place to go. There are always so many unexpected things happening, like getting front row seats to a crazy dog chase or seeing this frog sell his children. We also stumbled across this amazing performance of Spanish music. We just went for some dinner, but it ended up being a bit of an adventure. And we end the evening with a glass of Prosecco and some kimchi crisps, my favourite. Good morning, it's Sunday, day 2 of our Shenzhen weekend. Yesterday we saw some of the modern side of this city, and today we are seeing some more of its history by visiting Nantou Ancient City. This area is made up of lots of little back streets, and you can catch a glimpse of so much beautiful architecture if you just stop and take a look around. But we are still in Shenzhen, so of course the old meets the new. Today we are going to an arts and crafts flea market. There aren't really any charity shops or vintage shops in Shenzhen, so this will be interesting. We take a look around all of the stalls and try on a few bits of clothes in this makeshift tent changing room. There are lots of stalls, and we even got tarot cards read. And in true Foreigners in China style, we ended up in another street interview. That's 2 in one weekend. I hope you enjoyed spending this weekend in Shenzhen with me. Like, comment and subscribe, and come back next week for another video. Goodbye!